This will be number 2 from Teks check number 4. So we're looking at triangular prism given here and asking which is close to the lateral surface area of the prism. So going over to our formula sheet here, our lateral surface area of a prism is the perimeter of the base times the height. That's what the big P stands for there. So again, the lateral surface area, I'm going to write it as LSA, is equal to the perimeter of the base times the height of the prism. Once you know what the base is, I recommend kind of highlighting it for yourself, because that's what's going to be involved in the perimeter here. Perimeter means I want the distance around the triangle itself. And so I know from this other side here that each of these sides are 3.6 millimeters. So I'm going to write that for myself, 3.6 millimeters. Now if I want the perimeter of that triangular base, I would add 3.6 and 3.6. So I'm going to multiply it actually by 2. I'm going to say 2 times 3.6, since there's 2 of them. And then I'm going to add on 6.15. Again, I'm calculating the perimeter of the base. So that comes out to be 13.35. So right now we have 13.35 here. Now I need to multiply by the height of the prism. Now the height of the prism, what we want to say it is it's 10, but it's not. When I know that's the base that I've got outlined in blue, I want you to picture it sitting on its base, like kind of flipping this prism up and realizing that the actual height of the prism is the 45 3/4. Okay, 45 3/4. So we're going to multiply those two numbers together. Now I can go on my calculator and use alpha, y equals, and I could make this like a, let's see, I want it to be a numerator over denominator, or I could decide to make it an improper fraction. So I'm actually going to back up a little bit, and I'm going to remind myself that 3/4, 3 divided by 4, is 0.75. So I'm now going to take 13.35, which was that perimeter of the base, and multiply it by 45.75. I think that's probably the quickest way to get to where I need to be, because the 0.75 is represented right here with the 3/4. And so when I push enter here, number 2, for this question I should get J, 610.76 square millimeters.